welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will design our next product, and that is a teacup. So the first step is to click on model for the modeling. Now make it okay. Now the second step is to select the sketch on which plane we want to work. I usually prefer the XY axis. You can even work with this YZ or even XZ. So now click on sketch. Now select the planar face or plane. Okay. Now click on XY plane and make it okay like this. Now for making the 2D profile, select the profile command from here, and object size should be line, and from taking this as an origin point, make a length 27 and the angle should be 180 like this one. Okay, and make it okay. Now go above and the length should be 75, so the angle should be 90. Now with the angle of 0 we have to make a line of length 37.5 like this one. Okay, now cancel the profile command and select a arc command from here. So the first point should be this and the second point should be this, and make a arc of diameter of radius 150. Okay, like this one, and take it closer like this. Okay, now cancel this command. Okay, now make this line as a reference. So right click on this line from here, convert to reference. Okay, now it has been created in reference. Now make it finish sketch. Now bring it to isometric view like this one. So below the extrude you will find a command that is a revolve, which is used to revolve the 2D sketches. Now select the curve. Due to this connected curve, select any curve or curves are connected to each other. Now specify the vector, because we have to revolve around this line, so click on y vector. If you want to revolve around this one, select the x axis. Okay, now select on y axis. Now specify the point. The point has been indicated. Now select this point and it will revolve. Okay, now make it okay. Bring it to isometric view from here. Now we need a base or a support at the bottom, so click on sketch and select on this face. Okay, now make it okay. Now make a circle of diameter 40 from this point and make it 40 like this one. Okay, now cancel the command from here. Now bring it to finish sketch and bring again into isometric view from here. Now select again the extrude command and make it subtract. Okay, now select the curve, select this curve, specify the vector. Vector should be negative. Now this should be 0 to 3, and the body, select the body. Body has been already selected. Now make it okay. Okay, like this one. See, our has been created. Now there are sharp edges, so removing the sharp edges for removing the stress concentration, make it edge blend. Okay, from here. Okay, now select the edges. Okay, now select this edge and select this one edge 2. Now the radius should be 1, and now make it apply. Okay, now this edge is also a sharp edge, so make it again, select this one, the radius should be 2 and make it 2, and again make it okay like this one. Okay, now bring it to front face like this one. Now this should be an empty, so make a cell. Okay, now cell, remove the faces. Now select the face, select this face, it has been removed. Now make it okay. The thickness should be 2. Okay, now make it okay. Now there are also the sharp edges, so again make it edge blend for removing the stress concentration. Okay, now select the edges, select this edge and select this edge also. Okay, the diameter, the radius should be 1 and make it okay. Now we can see the front portion or the main portion has been created of the teacup. Okay, now if you have work, now bring it to isometric view. Now if you have work with xy axis, click on xy. If you work with xz, so click on x and xz, and if you work on yz, so work on yz. Select an sketch. Now select the planar face or plane. From here select xy plane and make it okay. Now pan it something so we can easily see the full cup. Okay, now select an arc. For making it as a reference, take this as the first point and this as the end point and make an arc of tangent like this. Okay, it has been created. Now cancel it. Now select an arc again. For the handle, according to your size, take any point on this reference and the distance like this and make a radius of this one. Now again select on this and take it to as your wish like this one and make it tangent to that. Okay, now it has been done. Now we need to for the rapid dimensioning, so take it a rapid dimensioning from here. Now take this as the first point and this as the second point, make it is 11. Okay, so make it 12. Okay, like this one. Now cancel the command. Okay, now that this radius has been tangent to this and this is a 11. Okay, now it has been created. Now make this arc as a reference. Okay, I already told that it is a reference arc, so convert it to a reference like this one. Now make it finish sketch and bring it to isometric view like this one. Okay, now we have to make this in a 2D. Okay, now first take a datum plane because we need an extra plane. Select on this datum plane. Okay, datum plane, this should be on curve. From here you can select on curve because we have to make datum plane on curves. Okay, now select this curve first, then select this curve. Okay, now make it okay. Now it has been created. Now make it okay from here. Now we need an sketch on this datum plane, so click on sketch and make a dot plane. Select this datum plane and make it okay. It has been like this. So now make a rectangle from here, take it to form center, so it will create from center. Okay, now create a rectangle of any height or any width like this one. Now we will make it rapid dimensioning. Okay, now this should be 10. How much? 12, so make it 10. Double click on the dimension like this one, so make it 10 from 24, so make it 10. Okay, like this one. It is 7, so make it to 5. Double click on the dimension and make it 5. Okay, now make it 5. Now cancel it like this one. So now take it to finish sketch and bring it to isometric view like this one. You can easily see our arc and the rectangle has been created. So again bring it to isometric view, and from surface click on more, sweep along guide. There is a command that is sweep along guide. It will sweep a 2D profile along a guide. Okay, select this one. Now select the curve, select this rectangle. Okay, like this one. Okay, line 5 or make it. So actually we have missed a profile, so click on this sketch again, double click. Oh, now make a fillet. Okay, from here now fillet, make a radius of 1.2. okay, like this one. Now select first line this and the second line this, make a fillet of 1.2. From here make a fillet of 1.2, and again from here make a fillet of 1.2. Okay, we are giving the fillet following the stress concentration. Okay, now it has been created. Now make it a finished sketch. Okay, now again go to isometric view like this one. Now from here select a more, go sweep along guide. It will sweep a 2D profile along the guide. Okay, now select a curve. It is not looking here, so make it from here and select the sketch 11. Okay, like this one. 8 curve. Now select a guide, take this to these curves. The guide should be this. Okay, now wait, it is creating. Now we can see might be created. Now make it okay like this one. Okay, now we can see that it has been, the handle has been created like this. You can see now there is a space between these two. Okay, now zoom it something like this one. There is a space between this, so from here make a replace face. Okay, replace face. So replace the face of this sweep. Okay, and the replacement face would be this one. Okay, now these will get joined to each other. Now we can see it has been joined. Now make it apply like this one. Now be same in the bottom of this. We can see that something is looking, so select a face, select this face. Now replacement face would be this one. Okay, now it has been replaced. Now make it okay. Again bring it to isometric view. Okay, like this one. Now hide all the extra, hide this datum plane. From here hide this sketch, make it hide this one also, make it hide like this. Now hide this sketch. From here hide this like this. Okay, like we can see easily. Now we can see the our cup has been created like this. Now bring it to isometric view. Now make it render, so go on render and make it to settings. Okay, like this one, our curve will look attractive like this. Okay, now again make it rotate and see, we can see our curve like this. Okay, you can see the curve. Okay, now you can make a editing from here through setting editor. Okay, now even from here you can give the background effect also. Okay, you can choose your pics or something else first. We can change the color of this. Make any color from this. Take blue. It will be created as a blue cup like this. And from background type, we can choose the dark. We can choose the light like this one. Okay. Make it dark. Now make it okay like this one. Now we can also give the flow edit. Flow grid will be seen or not. Okay. Flow reflection, shadows. Okay. If you want, take it. If you want, remove that or bring it to isometric view like this one. Okay. Now take this. Okay. Thank you.